Today we're going to be pipetting water from the beaker into the graduated cylinder via a 10 milliliter pipette. And before you do this, you want to be sure to thoroughly rinse the pipette 3 times with distilled water to clean any impurities from the inside. Right. So first you have the bulb on the top of the pipette, like so. And you squeeze before you enter the liquid, and then you draw up by letting go of the bulb. And then you keep your finger over the top to prevent the liquid from leaking. And then you have to become eye level with the pipette. It looks like the water level is at the initial volume reading from the pipette is 6.03 milliliters, and then you let some out, and you do the eye level once again, and it looks like the final volume is 7.40 milliliters. To determine the final change in volume, that is the amount that was added via the pipette, you take the final volume reading and subtract the initial volume reading from it. So 7.40 minus 6.03 is equal to 1.37 milliliters.
What we're going to do is place it into the water, squeeze the bulb, place the bulb over the pipette, and pull up some water. Stop and then put your thumb over the top so no water leaks out. And then you take the reading at eye level, and it's going to be 2.74. And then you're going to put some of it into the cylinder. Read it at eye level. That is going to be 6.48. And put the rest into a separate beaker so that the stock solution does not become impure, I guess you would say. And we're going to do our calculation. And it's going to be final minus initial, 2.4 minus 2.74, and 2.5 is the remaining volume, 2.50.
Today I'm going to be using the pipette. How you use it, of course, is you stick the glass end into your water, squeeze your bulb, place it on top, release it until you get your desired amount. You lift it up, you come down eye level with it, do 1.61. Come up, and you'll release some amount in here. Then what you'll do is come back down eye level, 3.44. And then you'll release the rest of it out, 6.61. You will subtract that by the 3.41, which we just, or 3.41, which we just pulled the final time. Subtract that, and that will give you 3.20 as the volume added.
Alright, today we're going to be pipetting. So you'll take the bulb and place it on the pipette, stick it into the water, and draw the amount. Come to eye level, the meniscus, and it is going to be 3.54. We're going to take it to the cylinder and let some out for the vinyl initial, and it is going to be 5.39. Okay, so we're going to take the vinyl minus the initial to end up with 1.85.
Water, or what we're trying to draw up into the pipette, you'll notice that there's a meniscus in it, which is where the water kind of concaves in. And this particular one is actually called a convex meniscus. And what you do is you read the bottom of it. And this one right here, as you tell, is 6.09 because it's right there almost at the first one. And the reason why there's a meniscus is because the water molecules in here, or the substance that's in the pipette, are more closely drawn together than they are the actual pipette. So therefore it kind of pulls it down.